Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I am obsessed with it. I've tried it out a couple of times, so this isn't really a first impressions video. This is more like I'm just beating my face today. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, y'all, keep on watching. Y'all, I know I look a little crazy, but I went on ahead and did my foundation routine off camera because it is no different literally than my last video, because I'm still really rocking with this CoverGirl True Blend foundation. So I was like, save us some time and just do it off camera. And then I also use my beloved P. Louise base. Trust me, it oxidizes and you won't even see how crazy this looks once we put the eyeshadow on. So just bear with me. So I really do love this Urban Decay palette so far because I've been hearing a lot of people say that if you have the Shaylin ColourPop collection that you don't really need this Born to Run palette. However, I will say that the Born to Run palette has way more mattes and it kind of evens out with the shimmer shades. So I have more transition colors to work with and I have more mattes to play with. But hey, that's my opinion. I'm allowed to have one. You don't like it, too bad. But anyways, I digress. Let's just jump right into the colors. So for my, I kind of want to go bold, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, what am I going to take? So I'm going to take this color Baja and I'm just going to blend that into my crease until I feel good about it. One thing I do like about this P. Louise base is that I limit my fallout. As soon as the eyeshadow sticks to my eye, like it doesn't go anywhere until I blend it out. So kudos to y'all P. Louise. Y'all got a good thing going. And I'm trying not to take it up too high because I have a look in mind and I kind of don't want to mess it up. Okay, moving right along. So I'm just gonna dust off the extra eyeshadow from this Baja color and then I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna dip into another shade. What shade that is, not quite sure. I'm just going with the flow at this point. So I think I really like the color Hell Ride. Not only do I like the name, but I like the color. It's a nice purpley shade, but it's a matte purpley shade, okay? I love mattes. I mean, I love my shimmers, but I'll take a good matte any day. So I'm just gonna take Hell Ride and I'm just gonna deepen my crease just a little bit on the outer corner. Excuse my facial expressions, but I feel like when I make faces, my makeup goes on better. I like this. I am liking it. I'm working with one contact in right now, so forgive me if my mirror is in the way, but sis can't see. She cannot see. She cannot see. But anyways, I digress. So I like where we're going so far. I like it. I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. For all the 90s kids that's out there. And then I'm just gonna take that Baja color one more time and then I'm just gonna, I think I have a plan now. I think I have a plan. So I'm just gonna take this Baja color and I'm just really gonna deepen the inner corner of my crease. See what happens, you know? I'm playing at this point, but I think I have a plan. I think it's coming together. And then I'm gonna take it up just a little bit, just because I just like it. So do the same thing on the other eye and see what we come up with. And I literally use circular motions as opposed to windshield wiper motions because I feel like with this particular eyeshadow base, it just works well if you do this instead of this, because trust me, it'll turn out way better. My mom is trying to FaceTime me right now.
Hi.
Mom, I'm filming.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can I call you back?
I guess. Hi, YouTube. Bye.
Gotta love Mom. Gotta love her. Alright, so to cut my crease, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to take that same P. Louise base on a smaller little shader brush. I'm using the Luxie 245 brush. It's nice and cute and tiny. I think it can get into the little crevices that I need. I like it. So the one thing I do like about this base, because I haven't featured it too much on my channel, because you know, before I bring something, it's like a relationship. I'm not about to bring some new guy to the party that I just met. I got to get to know him first, right? Got to see how we vibe, and then maybe I'll invite you to the company picnic. But until I get to know you and feel good about it, I'm not, no. Same thing with different makeup. Unless I feel good about it, I'm pretty much not gonna bring it on my channel unless it's a first impressions video, but that's just not one of those videos. But anyway, I digress. One of the things that I do love about this base is that a little goes a long way. And not only does a little bit go a long way, all you have to do is just pat, and it will go where you want it to go. You don't have to have the steadiest hand, because I do not, but literally, like, I don't have to do too much with this as I would a typical, what I've been using, like my clay paint pot from MAC. I mean, it's still my holy grail, but I don't have to work as hard with this particular eyeshadow base, so I just have been rocking with it. And I literally just tap it in place and it just sticks. It just sticks. Don't ask me why I'm about to do this, but I'm gonna take this color Big Sky. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a nice teal shimmery shade, and I'm just gonna go to work because I just think it'll look cute. I think it'll look cute. All right, so I'm gonna call a timeout on my eyes real quick and finish the rest of my face, and then come back and revisit and see how we can make this look extra bomb. Okay. All right, so my face has been blushed and highlighted. So what I'm gonna do is take my, I have my travel size because I was too lazy to go upstairs, but I'm just gonna take my Prep and Prime and just wet my shader brush and just give my blue color just a little bit more pizzazz, and I think we will be ready to move forward. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is pretty with the primer water, setting spray, whatever you have, man, whatever you have. Definitely intensifies your look. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm gonna be taking this Jante Bleu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. This liquid liner, and we're gonna see, it says it holds up to 24 hours, but I hope that I'm not wearing makeup for 24 hours. But hey, let's see. All right, and then for mascara, I'm just gonna be taking my CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast and just coat away until I feel good about it. All right, so before I coat my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna take a smaller detail brush, and I'm just going to take Baja and Hell Ride together and sweep that under my lower lash line. And to set everything in place, I'm just going to be taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and mist away till I feel good about it. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look and I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. Do the bounce. Do the bounce. But if you like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you're watching, shame on you. I forgive you in advance. Just hit the subscribe button and join the fam. We welcome you. But yeah, also make sure that you're connecting with me on my other social media platforms as well. But that is all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until next time, remember to be kind and be you.